So today we came out here to do some stress tests to the new VTOL model. We're doing mainly stress to the quad system, since it's critical that it remains stable during transitions, and sometimes in more windy conditions we need to be able to make sure that it's able to perform. Test went well. We were able to push it a little bit, and we did some quick tuning here and there to adjust the PIDs and the behavior overall, and we collected some important data. Now it's back to the lab and taking a look at the logs to see if we can find further room for improvement.